So you've stumbled on Vizuliz.com and the prices looked almost too good to be true. Before you click buy now, let's go over what you really need to know. But before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Vizuliz.com offers a range of trendy items and super low prices, which instantly raises eyebrows. While the site looks clean and professional, that alone isn't enough to prove it's trustworthy. From what we've seen on Reddit and malware tips, most users are wanting others to stay far away. People have reported being charged without receiving their items or getting hit with random charges after buying. Some even said they never received a tracking number or response after purchase. At the time of this review, Vizuliz.com doesn't appear to have any reviews or ratings on Trustpilot. That's not a great sign, especially if a store asking for your payment detail. Honestly, Vizuliz.com throws up more red flags than green lights. No verified reviews, sketchy reports from buyers, and zero presence on Trustpilot. That's a hard pass. If you're tempted by the low prices, it might end up costing you more in the long run. If you've had any experience with Vizuliz.com, good or bad, feel free to share it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.